Thank you very much, Brand Forum. I'm very privileged on behalf of Meghna Group of Industries to represent MGI Digital Summit 2020 to all of you. So a very warm welcome to you once again. Friends and seniors, and also dear colleagues and dear fellow digital marketeers. It gives me immense pleasure to let you know that in this digital world, our company, Meghna Group, and also Brand Forum have been trying together for last 3 to 4 years to really bring this digital marketing space alive in Bangladesh among the practitioners by offering something which is valuable to all of us so that we as an industry, we as a country can grow together by knowledge dissemination and practice dissemination. My friends, you will be knowing that Meghna Group actually has taken a number of initiatives for the digitization of the company. The first and foremost digitization that has happened is that amongst its 45 industry verticals, the transformation of SAP not only has generation year, we are transforming into the NGI P2P cycle using Ariba and OpenText Vim solution. We from MGI has taken an initiative to drive our business paperless, and this paperless journey has started by adopting open text solutions across the business. So you will understand that these are the kind of things that MGI is not only doing, but also taking robotic process across business processes, factory inventories, and there are many IoT initiatives happening. The sales automation through digital sales is there. So I'm sure many other companies are also coming into this digital world because that's the way to go. I have been reading one of the Forbes, article where we have been seeing that what are the key things that are going to happen in 2021. We know that 5G will be one of the things, and which will be coming and probably will be launched in 2021. As a result, the landscape will change. The customer data platforms, this probably in the world will explode. This CDP is something that we need to embark on. The hybrid cloud declared the winning enterprise architecture is something that we have to look at. Cybersecurity is something which will become a big issue. Privacy and confidential computing will gain momentum. So while we are looking at data-driven business management, we have to really look after the next possibilities for us. And in that, we know a few things. From MGI, we believe that we need to disrupt or we will get disrupted. We need to learn or else we get learned. This mobile thing will become ubiquitous and customer will always want real-time insights. So these are the kind of things that we have to keep in mind while we are into the digital summit, and we need to have that ability to go an extra mile to really make ourselves proud as a nation, as an individual, as a company, and wonder how we are progressing so that the world can wonder how we are progressing. Thank you very much. Welcome once again.